ColorCap is a brand new set of tools built for Dither, allowing you to generate fully custom retro color palettes from existing images, custom input, batch processed folders, or screenshots. It also comes with a new mascot, meaning Dither finally has a friend. These new tools allow you to extract colors from an image using algorithms like k-means, octree, medium, or a polarity algorithm, which are all geared to heavily lean toward outputting a retro color palette for Dither that looks authentically retro. This is a free companion software designed to work with Dither 4.2 and beyond. So if you're one of the many people who are already diving into creating your own color palettes from scratch in Notepad, or if you are using things like ChatGPT, like a few people in the Dither Discord, then you don't need to do any of that anymore. You can literally upload your own design work to ColorCap or your own photographs and create a dithering color palette from it. If you're out and you see a cool poster or a sunset or some cool graffiti, you can take a picture, bring it home to ColorCap and create a palette from it for your dithering. I started work on ColorCap in March when the color update was still being planned, and I just thought it would be cool to say if you got the first ever Studio AAA software, which is Dither, then the second ever Studio AAA software, ColorCap, is completely free thanks to your support. In terms of support and updates for ColorCap, since this is a free addition to Dither, our focus is not going to be on updating ColorCap, and I can't guarantee the same level of support as the main Dither app, but we definitely have plans for giving it a use case beyond only Dither. ColorCap is linked below this video alongside Dither. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.